Most people spend weeks, sometime months, sometime years building courses, writing posts, praying someone buy. But what if you could activate your entire system with one simple strategy? So welcome to day number 26 of 30 days cash injection challenge. Today I will show you exactly how I launched my course without paid ads, no complementary technology, using a simple framework that you have to just upload the video and organize systematically inside, like connecting the dots. There are different things you have to connect the dot so that people can get point A to point B where they want to go. So in just 26 days in, my offer is live, but here is the part no one talks about. I will show you the exact modules, exact system, exact connect the dot strategy to create the complete course. Okay, welcome to day number 26. So today we are going to discuss about courses and offer, how we can create that. You're already documenting the things that I told you to document everything. So once you document everything, you can put everything inside a mind map. So mind map is like this, and you put the things like this only. Organize your data in a mind map so that you can check it out clearly what are the things that you have created, and then you create something like that. So it's called connecting the dot strategy. I have explained in day number 23 of our content solar system. So it is by Steve Jobs, given this connecting dots. Go back and see what are the things you have done. And okay, so for uploading the courses, you can use Clipchamp. This is for free. So I have 100% uploaded my courses by editing with Clipchamp only. I have added background music and speed increased to 1.4 times, and that is why it saves the time. Okay, and it makes more compelling. I have enhanced the sounds, all these things here. Okay, but it's very simple. Okay, you just edit your courses here, and you upload inside the portal. Okay, so you just have to upload the courses here. Okay, upload the course inside the portal, and once you do that, your portal will look like different one. Here you can upload it from my device. Okay, all the courses. Okay, so it's just downloading, and you see this part here. It is seen in this one, and we can check out this platform. How does it look like? And suppose you have mistakenly uploaded wrong, you can anytime come back and add or delete anything. So it's up to you. Okay, so you don't have to be perfect at starting, and this is the way you create your community. So community is very important. So you see here, we add courses inside the community. These are the members of the community. Okay, and this is the way we create the events inside this community. So everything is explained here. The workflows also even explained. The themes has been explained, how to change the themes of your this one, and we have already covered how we create sprint courses, we add categories. We already covered that. So the whole workflow is explained. And after that also, if you can see how we create offers. Okay, inside the offers, we can make it prepaid or free, whatever it is, and we are done. Okay, so if you want to analyze something, if you have forgotten something, then this is NotebookLM. This tool can make your life very easy. There is a feature now called mind map. Okay, if you can check it out, this is the mind map. Now if I want to see phase 0 faster, okay, or explain it to somebody else again, okay, in a better way, I can do that. I can have conversation podcast also. So if I click here on the mind map here, it will generate the mind map here on the right hand side. So this was the phase 0. Now I have created one notebook called UC Cash Injection Challenge. It has up to day 1 to day 25 all the videos I have added here. And if you check out the mind map also, you can check it out, the mind map here on the right hand side. If you see, this is the new mind map it's generating, and I will show you previous mind map. It's you can see here 30 days cash injection challenge. This is downloadable. If I download it, I can check out this. Okay, NotebookLM PNG. So it is a PNG folder, but if I want to present, I have to present it from here only. So let's see how does it look like, the PNG file. Okay, so here 30 days cash injection challenge, you see, and you can send it as a you can check it out as a mind map. If here core concept, execution learning, okay, execution focused, profit producing activity, consistency for 30 days, number and data. Okay, business is a game of psychology and numbers, track matrix daily, visibility wall. Okay, CRM intelligence. Okay, that is amazing, I love it. Now the value bombs. What is inside the value bombs? Incredible value in advanced ethical manipulation, belief shifting, the hyper personalization, go beyond generic outreach, build trust, system and automations, build business that runs on systems, scale visibility without scaling workload, belief shifting, and stranger's secret mind. Okay, so this way we can explain it for one part. There are many other parts also. If I go here, okay, so 30-day duration, daily task assignment, review every 7 day, commitment post, daily progress sharing, okay, and goal setting, no goal tracker, and income goals, winning the challenge. So it's amazing summary. Okay, so I loved it. Then content solar system, core brain, content creation method, engagement tracking, analysis, business execution, newsletter management, GPTs. Okay, replace yourself with GPTs. Then lead generation, there are various tools here, lead attraction tools also here. You have to just click on the arrows and everything will open this. Okay, click on the side arrows and it will. So it's an amazing mind map. Okay, you can present it again also. If you have created something rough, that you can make it fair with this mind map and you can remake it. Okay, so this is the way you put it. Even Google Doc file also you can add here. Okay, just you have to go to source and add the source. Here you can upload any type of source here, Google Drive from your this part, Google Slides, website, YouTube. I have uploaded from YouTube. Okay, copy paste the text also. You can only limit is 25 out of 50. So I cannot have both uploaded for 30 days document and this one. So I will be uploading of 25 days and we can just analyze 25 days here. And next part we can create another notebook for that. Okay, so in this way we have, or otherwise we can have 30 days here. So we can have complete 30 days cache injection here and only we can upload the remaining 20, that is the document. Okay, so every day's document. So this is the document file. Okay, so if I want to upload here, I just copy this link here, share with others, and so this is the daily assignment. Okay, copy this link and I will go to here and here add it. So if you see Google Doc file, you can upload it from Google Drive also, or you can check the link here, paste the URL here, and page cannot be imported. Again add it. Google Docs. Okay, so inside from my drive you can upload it, or you can download it and then upload it. So it is like that. Inside the 30 days cache injection challenge, we can just upload the documents here, whichever days we want to upload. For example, if I want to upload this one, I inserted this one. Similarly, I'm going to go to this one, Drive, Google Docs, then insert it. We can insert one at a time. Okay, so insert it. So like that we can insert it, and if we can check it here on left hand side, 2, 4, 5, 7, like it's uploaded, and we can upload it like this one only. And once we do that, the analysis becomes very easy, and you can check out the mind map. Similarly, for others also, you can create mind map. You can create unlimited notebooks here. So this is the way we do faster analysis. Okay, the phase 0 has 43 sources, and if you see, this is the mind map of it. And if I check out what is inside it, I can go motivation and background, the problem and desired target audience. Okay, so crucial for finding your audience, fishing analogy, Bob, Sam, the story that is really amazing. Identify the target audience, define your specific audience. Okay, factor to consider, audience checklist. Okay, where they hang out. Okay, these are the places where they hang out. Identifying worst. So you can see here the course creation game has become very easy, and we just have to upload it. Once we have it the edited videos, okay, we can anytime delete it, we can add it inside the course, and we can put it in any platforms. Okay, so this is about the course. Even you can upload in Udemy, all these platforms. This is also the possibility. The same thing you have done, you just have to upload it. So this is very simple of course creation. Okay, this is the place where you create the offer. You go to your account, membership. Inside the membership, you go to offers, and here you can create multiple offers with different pricing, all these things. You can do that. Suppose I click here, I can rename it as, here we have to select the products here. And AI tools free limited. Once you do that, course is created. Offer is created inside this 30 CIC. Name it as May 25. Make it published. INR I will be adding here. Okay, let's make it free. And so if I want offer access to be restricted, begin the access at specific date. Okay, we do not have specific amount of days. You will have 30 days access to this challenge. Okay, so 30 days. And yes, we will uploading some images here. Let's choose an image. Let's put this one with all. More clients with AI. Just upload it. And offer access we have created. We can add descriptions also. Okay, and advanced inside this we can add custom JavaScript, footer options, header options. So we are not going into that, and this is the place we will be taking the description from. Okay, go here, just say describe the course. This course, and it is going to give me the best result from all these sources. Okay, this challenge is presented as we inject serious cash in your 30 days. Build business, the core philosophy. Depend root by building systems, leveraging AI, critical mindset. This challenge is structured with daily assignments covering this one, that one, generation, building authority, AI automation tools. Overall, challenge is presented as comprehensive, action-oriented. Okay, so I will be copying this one, and I can go to ChatGPT and write it in a better way. So I just copied it, write it in a better way, and putting this in my course. So let's see how does it look like. So by this challenge friend, what will we build? Full automation inside this challenge, daily assignment, the no goal method, mindset, custom release. Okay, generating this. Okay, no ads, no guesswork, just execution. Okay, that is very powerful. Yeah, copy this one, and I'm going to go to the course here, paste it here, delete the last line. Yeah, that's really amazing. Get more client, custom JavaScript not required. So I will save this one. Okay, so if I want only the access of $1 million transaction, I can just go back here and edit this offer. So this is the final thing, just created. Okay, it has 30 days access, and it's here. Okay, you will get it for free, which has all the courses and resources. Okay, so what are the things inside here? So first of all, you have to activate your main revenue engine, create mini course or create lead magnet. You can have landing page around that also. It's optional. Even if you want to promote it with Google Drive uploading, you can do that. Okay, so after 26 days of documenting, my offer is live. Okay, you can make this post, and this is the link of the offer. You can say comment course. I will send you the whole course. Okay, so it has all the documents and offer for 48 hours of fast action bonus. Okay, creating one short module. So this is the way you create the course, edit the course, quick time saver with Clipchamp, and upload it. Okay, add or delete it, or community creation, and host it inside Go High Level or whatever you want. Okay, so this is the preferred platform, Go High Level. And here we create the course. You can have a Google Drive also, or in a landing page also. So here is the offer. You can get it for free. Okay, just click on this link and join this offer. So you will get the course access for free. It has all the documents containing till day 1 to 26. All these things. Okay, you can get all these things. Thank you. Okay, so once you click here, You will able to open this URL and you will get this offer for free. Here you put your email and all these things here. And proceed to checkout. You will have this one, view dashboard, and you will have course library access. Okay, so you have to go directly to $1 million execution plan. Start from welcome aboard. Okay, so here day 1, day 2, day 3, all the assignments are there. Okay, you can just check out.
So let's conclude day number 26. So here is the backend. You are seeing how I upload, organize all my system inside here. This isn't just for visibility. This is how to position the content to convert. The finalize your course, core offer, upload your posts, all these things, the upload all the email sequences, how you are going to promote all these things, the whole system. If you want the exact same system, just check the link in description. You will find the course creation blueprint, how you can utilize this to create a simple workflow that is one short module, one strategic post, one smart launch, all these things without burning out with paid ads. Also, that is the way you can do 100% organically. So now imagine this, what if you could just take one simple piece of content and turn it into content solar system of 30 plus posts that builds authority, drive leads and close client. That's exactly what I give you inside this 30 days cash injection challenge. Today you have seen one of the things related to courses. There are many more content solar system that you can automate funnels, you can capture leads, you can nurture this with the help of complete automations, and you build your complete authority without running paid ads. If you find this something interesting, just check in the link in the description. You will find the exact same system and the 30 days cash injection challenge link to join. Thanks.